Is this a good repair? Will it hold? This is where the rear shock used to sit on the passenger side. This hole is all wallered out, and there's a big old crack up here. There's a known good frame. When you buy new shocks, they usually give you new shock mounts, and they mount through this hole, and the shock mounts down at the axle and the other side up here at the shock mount. It's crucial that this hole is in the right location. It's a 5/8 hole, a 5/8 from the top of the frame rail. I would also like to know whether this frame is still straight. There's the mark right here, and the mark right there. Oh yeah. Washer, nut. Now it fits.